let's talk latest shipment and models from Yokomo.
Wow.
Now, we're going to keep with the Poly Cup and the Kilo Club.
Okay. So what I got here? I got an MO 1.0.
MO, Master
Off-Road.
Off-Road.
And you have an
The-
SO.
Yep, which is the Super Off-Road or Superior Off-Road? Super Off-Road. Two-wheel drive
And four-wheel drive.
Formerly known as YZ4
Yep. And
and
YZ2.
a YZ2. Now, these are the latest evolution of the models. So they have been refined and honed. I believe there's all new plastics in there. And they've thrown in a lot of extras and goodies that we would have had on them anyway. So now they're like all-purpose in one box. Before,
That's right.
we used to say, oh, they're just about done. You know,
Yeah.
There was a couple of little options that we used to build to make them, I suppose, fit for racing at the highest level. You know, now they come with it.
Yeah.
So the two-wheel drive now comes with the alloy steering block base.
Yep. Should we have a close look at that?
Yep, the steering support base. We can go here to the overhead. So it now comes with the alloy bell crank and steering support brace.
Yep.
And camber link mount.
Yes.
Again, these are all things that we'd usually buy anyway.
Yep.
And then on the rear, it comes with the alloy camber link mount. Again, this is just for, I suppose, reliability as far as breakages go.
Yes.
Potential DNFs.
Yes.
The standard plastic ones, I didn't mind. But yeah, they were I suppose, no, I won't say a weak point, but that were definitely a point where that would break, you know, if you crash it hard enough.
Yeah.
But you have to crash it hard enough.
Yes.
It wouldn't just break by using it.
Yes.
You'd have to cartwheel it across the track at warp 9 and go, oh, I've broken my camber link.
Well, at least they're included now, so you've got ultra reliability, right?
Ultra reliability.
Super durable.
Super durable.
Yeah.
No weight penalties because
Yep.
it's super light machined, CNC machined alloy. Now, the beauty about this kit is there used to be a Cal version and a
Yep.
DTM version.
So
So Cal,
carpet and
Carpet AstroTurf, developed by Lee Martin.
Yep.
That's what Cal stands for.
Yep.
And the DTM was Dirt Track Ryan Mayfield.
Right.
Okay.
Yep.
So there used to be a carpet and a dirt car. Well, now everything comes in one box.
Yep.
So it's really, really good. So we've got 2 sets of springs.
Yep.
You've got carpet and dirt. You've got
Yep.
2 sets of pistons. Again, carpet and dirt tuning.
Yep.
2 sets of gearbox. So you've either got lay down carpet or lay down dirt.
Yep.
And you've got 2 differentials. You've got a gear differential and a ball differential.
Yep.
Now, I love the gear differential for practice, which is really on a dirt track, which
Yes.
is really, really good.
Oh, really durable, aren't they?
Really, really durable and consistent. But for outright performance on dirt, we usually stick with the ball diff. So I keep that one. I keep the ball diff for racing, but usually if I'm just going to cut laps and burn some rubber, I'll put in the gear diff, and that just saves me rebuilding the ball diff at the end of the day.
Yep.
Because
They do
generally,
need a bit of maintenance.
when you've got a big horsepower motor in there, usually definitely too much power for my capabilities as a driver.
Yeah.
But somewhat overpowered for the sensible track use. You do give the differential a hard time, whereas a gear diff will cope with it no problems at all.
Yeah.
So I usually build it with light oil, keep that for practice. Come race day or when I get some serious times, and I put the ball diff in. So now all comes in one unit.
Yeah, cool.
So whether you're racing on AstroTurf, up in Queensland, you've got the 6 surface, the sealed dirt surface up at Chargers.
Yep.
You've got the indoor carpet track at Mozzie's. Or you got your dirt tracks out here, like you've got the Wodonga and Knox Club, or your high grip oil track. Everything comes in one box.
Yeah, so you've got everything you need to tune it for all the major
Absolutely.
circumstances.
Now, obviously, there's optional springs and stuff like that, so you can tailor the car for your exact purpose.
Yeah. But
But the fact that you can build the same kit as either the carpet car or the dirt version all in one box is a great idea. So really looking forward to seeing these out on track.
Yep.
This is a new SO 1.0 two-wheel drive buggy.
Okay, and from there we get the
MO,
MO.
Master Off-Road.
Okay, so
And-
we'll go on the top again.
Yeah, we can go into the top one, and we can see here again they've tried they've tried to do it so everything's in one box. So traditionally, the YZ4 didn't come with a center diff unit.
Yep.
Come with a slipper, but racing on dirt tracks, we found it the way forward. So again, now comes with the center diff and the slipper. So if you're racing on carpet or AstroTurf, you've got the slipper there. If you're racing on a dirt surface, you've got the fully tunable center gear diff.
Yep.
Again, you can see here it comes with 2 sets of springs, and it comes with 2 sets of sway bars.
Yep.
So that's just some of the upgrades. Some other upgrades that they've put in is alloy rear hub blocks, again for strength and reliability. Because when you crash a four-wheel drive, like a modified car, whatever, when they have a lot of energy and they tend to do a lot of damage. So in the name of reliability and strength, they've given alloy hubs as one of the feature. Nitride coated shock shafts and a new fan mount to keep the motor nice and cool. And I'm sure that's just some of the features, because I believe that Yokomo have gone to all new plastics, all new composite plastic. So it's the same molds and the same shapes as the previous cars, but the plastics is a new generation in stiffness and rigidity. So really looking forward to see how that performs on track.
Very nice.
And all reports from Ant Caretti, our factory driver, is the plastics on the four-wheel drive actually transform the car. So they've got the center chassis piece with braces and also the side plates. Apparently, if you put the new plastics in there, even in your previous model car, makes a phenomenal difference to the car.
Wow.
So it might not suit everybody's driving style, but does give a lot more connection with the track and a lot more in-tune feeling.
Well, it does give you all those extras too. So this is a very versatile kit as well.
Super versatile. So like I said, you don't have to buy anything else out of the box. It comes with everything in the box you need to go racing at whatever track it is.
Yes.
It's a brilliant move by Yokomo. Because they're definitely a premium product, and now it's all in one box.
Yes.
So it's really, really good. Good on them, I say. Looking forward to it. Absolutely.
Excellent.
What else came in the Yokomo shipment, you say?
What else came in the Yokomo shipment, I say?
SDs and RDs. Here we have, and the MDs. The MDs have actually sold through already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, they're super popular. That's their premium one. So there's 3 levels of drifter that come out of Yokomo. We've got a RD, they refer to as rookie drift.
Yep. So this is
the rookie drift.
Yep.
Which is predominantly plastic composite kit. Then we've got the SD, which is a mixture of plastic component, plastic, carbon fiber, and alloy.
So alloy chassis.
Yeah, and then you've got the MD, which is all carbon fiber. And alloy motor plate and stuff.
Yes.
So you've got 3 ranges depending on your level of skill or your financial capabilities. You can have a competition drift car no matter what. So you can either start life with an RD and you can slowly soup it up and turn it into an SD. And then you can soup that up and turn it into an MD as you progress and grow with the car. So it's really, really good features with these cars. I'm really happy to have them and really, really well priced. Now, the RD actually comes in 2 forms. We have it with and without gyro.
Yes.
So if it is your first time rear-wheel drifter, two-wheel drive drifter, and you don't have a gyro, there's one in the kit.
Yeah,
which is really
makes it a lot easier.
Makes it a lot
easier.
easier.
Need it. Look, everyone will fit a gyro.
That's right. Everybody has a gyro, and it's a perfect, complement to tune in for your driving style. Now, they're not the same settings for everybody. Some people will have them aggressive, fast, slow, and how much interaction, but everybody will have a gyro nonetheless.
Yes.
Fantastic. So that is some of the new goodies from Yokomo.